students. So in this class, I'm going to teach you of transpose of a matrix. So welcome you all to this class. So this is very important topic because on this topic also there is a chance that you are going to get a 5 marks question. Okay. So I'm going to teach you what is this transpose of a matrix and what are the problems based on that. Okay. So listen to me carefully and try to understand, and it's very easy. More than that, you are very clever students and you are going to understand this very quickly. Okay. So let me teach you what is transpose of a matrix. Okay. So transpose of a matrix is nothing but it is a matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns. A matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of the given matrix is called as a transpose of a matrix. Okay. Now let me show you one example here. Okay. See, if A is given to you like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this is the given matrix. Okay. Now if you want the transpose of this matrix, you have to denote it by two things. Either you can take A raised to T or you can use A dash. Now these are the notations for transpose of a matrix. Okay. Now how you are going to find the transpose of a matrix is you have to interchange the rows and columns of the given matrix like this. See, A raised to T is equals to, now here the first row is 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is that? First row is 1, 2, 3. Now you have to write that as a first column. That's what I said. Interchanging rows into columns. Okay. So first row elements are 1, 2, 3. Now write them as first column elements. Okay. See, I'm writing as the first column elements. Now this is what transposed now. Now the second row elements here is 4, 5, 6. Write them as a second column elements. Okay. So here 4, 5, 6. Now these are the second column elements. What we did now? We have written first row elements as the first column elements, second row elements as the second column elements. Now this is what called as a transposed matrix. Hey, what magic is happening here? What is it happening here is, see here the order here is, it is 2 cross 3. Done. Now what is the order of this matrix? Yes, 1, 2, 3. That means 3 rows, 2 columns. Can you see the change that happened here? Yes, here it was 2 cross 3. Now after transposing it became 3 cross 2. Now this is the magic that happens when you transpose a matrix. Okay, that means number of rows becomes number of columns and number of columns becomes number of rows. Now let me give you one more example very quickly. Okay. If A is equals to 1, 3, 5. What is the matrix now? This is 1 row, 3 columns. Yes. And I want to find the transpose of this matrix. Yes, somebody can tell me what will be the order of this matrix if I transpose this matrix. What is the order here? 1 cross 3. And if I transpose this matrix, I'm going to get which matrix? Yes, you are right. I'm going to get 3 cross 1 matrix. Okay, let us see this part. Now see here, only 1 row is there. Only 1 row is there. I'm going to write that as a column in the obtained matrix, right? Yes, now here. So here, 1, 3, 5. So this is your matrix. So when you transpose rows into columns, you're going to get a transpose matrix. Okay. See, there are some properties of this transpose matrix, and before I talk about them, I want to give you one 3 cross 3 matrix transpose also. Okay. Now let me see this part. Okay. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay now. So I want A dash. Okay, that means the transpose of A. So let us write the transpose of this matrix now here. See here, 1, 2, 3 is the first row elements. Now we are going to write them as a first column elements, right? So 1, 2, 3. Now 4, 5, 6 are the second row elements. Now we are going to write them as a second column elements, okay? 4, 5, 6 are second row elements. We are going to write them as second column elements, right? Let us see this part. 4, 5, 6. Now 7, 8, 9 are the third row elements. Let us write them as third column elements. Now this is a transposed matrix. Okay. So now as I told you, I'm going to tell you some properties of this transpose of a matrix. In the later classes, I'm going to show you some problems which were asked in the annual exams based on the transpose of a matrix. Okay. Now, in this class, I'm just going to show you the properties of this transpose of a matrix. See, properties of a transpose of a matrix. Properties of a transpose of a matrix. Okay, the first property of a transpose of a matrix is, if you are going to transpose a transposed matrix, you are going to get a original matrix. That means A dash, the whole dash, is going to become A itself, right? And the second property here is, if you want to find A either plus or minus B, the whole dash, the answer will be A dash plus or minus B dash. Even if it is a plus or a minus, it does not change. Okay. Now here the third one here is A multiplied to B, the whole dash. Now this is what the concentration must be done here. Okay. Now what is that here happens here is A into B, the whole dash here is, it is B dash into A dash, not A dash into B dash. You are very smart students. We are going to remember this, okay? So don't make a mistake. AB the whole dash is not A dash into B dash, but it is what? B dash into A dash. Okay, it is B dash into A dash. Now the fourth property here is, suppose you are multiplying a scalar term to a matrix, and if you want to take a transpose of that, so you can do like this. K multiplied to the transposed matrix. Now these are some properties of a transposed matrix. Okay, so now keep them in mind. On these properties only we are going to solve the problems in the next class. Okay, but meanwhile I am interested in giving you 2 or 3 problems for finding the transpose of a matrix, and I am happy that everybody are working, okay, and I'm very happy those who have subscribed the channel, okay, because you are going to get every video that I'm making, and you will be the first to send the answers, okay, and I'm very thankful for all the people who have liked the videos, because when you like this video, I'm getting more energy to do more videos and more perfectly also. Okay, so this is the problem that I'm going to give you for your assignment. Find the transpose of the following matrices. Following matrices. The first one is A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, minus 1, 9. B is equals to 1, 5, 7. C is equals to 2. These are the matrices that you have to transpose. Okay, so just start working out and send me the answers. And because of your likings, I'm very much energized to send you more and more videos and to help you to understand. Okay, so thank you very much. Till then, be at home, be working, and be safe. Thank you, one and all.